Alright guys, so today let's talk knives. First of all, if you guys are still using cheap knives like these, it's time to throw them out because it is not safe. You're looking for a knife that has weight. Not too heavy, but a nice sort of feel to it. It doesn't feel plasticky, it doesn't feel too light, and the weight is well balanced. This means that the knife's weight is evenly distributed. The second thing we're looking for in a knife is the blade. When the knife is sharp and you combine that with a knife that has good weight, half the work of cutting is done. And especially in Asian households, a lot of our cooking takes a lot of cutting. So having a good piece of knife is an investment. With the cheap knives, you would find that you always have to press down when you're cutting especially hard ingredients. And what's dangerous is the knife can either slip this way or the knife can slip this way. And when it does, you can either twist your wrist, or worse still, if you twist in, what's going to happen is you're going to end up cutting yourself. So let me show you. Let's take lemongrass. Usually if you use those cheap knives, it's hard to cut lemongrass. But let me show you how easy this cuts. See how easy? I'm barely using any force. The knife is so sharp and it's got good weight. All I'm doing is just pushing through.